Welcome to Trinity High School. Trinity is celebrating a major milestone this year, 70 years of educating young men of faith right here in this community. While they're still guided by their core founding values, so much has changed here recently. We're just outside of their brand new Welcome Center. They just opened the doors on their brand new greenhouse, and enrollment continues to go up here. Trinity is now the largest Catholic and private school in the state.
My name is James Torra, and I'm proud to serve as the Director of Admissions at Trinity High School. This year's freshman class is just like those that have come before it. They represent nearly 75 different grade and middle schools from all over Louisville and the surrounding counties. And just like the ones that came before them, they represent a very wide range of academic strengths and challenges, and we're very proud of that. That's been our mission since day one. I think there's three things that parents seek and are finding here at Trinity. One is the academic base with our block schedule, the way that it allows so many more opportunities for their students, the way that they learn through interactive, hands-on learning through that block schedule, and it really fits teenage boys. They're also finding a welcoming, inclusive environment here on campus that's built on the foundation of our house system. And then you look at the results that our students are producing and the culture that's here on campus. And I think the three of those things come together to create an environment here on campus that families find attractive. So with that wide array of types of learners that come on campus, we have to make sure we have programs in place to meet all of their needs. So we have 4 different academic programs that fits the needs of all of those different types of learners. And some of those students may be in one program, or they may be in a variety of them. And we personalize their schedule based on where those students come to us, and then adjust as needed while they're here at Trinity. So it's a very personalized approach built around those 4 different academic programs to meet students where they are. We have 9 different centers on campus that are science-based, all refurbished, renewed. That allows our science students and teachers to really get hands-on. A great example of that is the greenhouse. We also have a big STEM initiative that the greenhouse fits into. And our students are in that greenhouse and a new pavilion right next to it on a daily basis. We have some students that'll travel to Costa Rica every summer to do college-level research in the rainforest. And those students and teachers have brought home different things that we now incorporate into the greenhouse for biology classes, environmental science classes, biology 2 classes, and it's really amazing to watch them literally get their hands dirty during class and learn by doing. Something that has been our mission since day one, to open our doors wide and accept all these different types of students. So we've always had learning support in place for our students. We've just enhanced it over the years and made it more readily available and given our students more resources. We have a number of counselors that are there to help our students, including in this space, where we now have 2 full-time learning support coordinators who help our students that need extra assistance when needed and if needed throughout the day. There's always a counselor present in here, and they work directly with students, parents, and share the information with their teachers so that those students can find success here at Trinity. This is one of our 3 new flexible learning spaces, and our hope when we built it was that it gets used on a daily basis. Thankfully, in all 3 of those spaces, we see students and teachers interacting in there each and every day. That's what we made it for. We wanted teachers to feel comfortable using it. We wanted students to make sure they felt even more comfortable coming here. And we want to make sure the counselors were present to help the students if and when needed.
Trinity's open house is coming up November the 12th from 1 to 5 p.m. They also have plenty of shadow opportunities available year-round. To get started, go to trinityrocks.com.